Are you wondering if YouTube TV will ever include the Lifetime channel in its lineup? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain the chances of Lifetime becoming available on YouTube TV. If you're a fan of shows like Dance Moms or Project Runway, you'll want to hear this. As of now, Lifetime is not included in YouTube TV's channel lineup, and there's no official confirmation that it will be added soon. Lifetime is owned by A+E Networks, which also includes channels like A and E and History, none of which are currently part of YouTube TV's offerings. The absence of these networks is likely due to licensing agreements and negotiations, which can be complex and vary by region. That said, YouTube TV occasionally adds new channels, so it's worth keeping an eye on updates from the platform. In the meantime, if Lifetime is essential for you, consider subscribing to Hulu, plus Live TV, or checking if your local cable provider offers it. If this video helped you understand the current status of Lifetime on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.